Hi friends, this is Teach and welcome to my new video. In this video I want to teach you how to use diode mode of the multimeter and how does it work. So let's get started. You should put the multimeter on diode mode and put the positive pin on fused one, not the 10 amps. But what does it do? When you connect the probes of the multimeter to each other, a buzzer starts making sound like this. And the first usage of this diode mode is for checking the connectivity. For example, for something like this heatsink, which is made of aluminum, you can check the connectivity. Or when you are making a circuit, you don't know that two pins are connected to each other or not, you can check it by this one and it doesn't hurt your circuit. The next usage of this is for measuring diode's connectivity. Like what? For example, we got this diode. This is the most common diode called 1N4007. As you know, it flows current through positive to negative pin, and as I told you before, it has about 0.7 volts drop voltage. It means, for example, if you connect 12 volts to the positive and a common negative, when you measure the voltage, it's about 11.3 volts. Now, when you have a diode and you want to measure the drop voltage of a diode, you should put it on diode mode. As you see, it has some lines like this. It means the sound of the buzzer, and it's diode mode. The maximum drop voltage it measures, because it has no point, it's 1.999 volts, about 2 volts. For example, now this is our diode. We connect positive to positive and negative to negative. It's about 0.6 volts, the drop voltage of this diode. We have some other diodes, for example, like this one. They're different between many types of diodes. For example, for this one, the drop voltage is about 0.2 volts, because it flows a higher current, so it should have a lower resistance. The next usage of this one is for testing LEDs. As you know, LEDs are diodes too, so you connect positive to positive and negative to negative. It doesn't work. It actually turns on. It has a too low brightness because of the voltage of the multimeter. It doesn't flow a high current through it, but if you see it, it turns on. But if you connect it vice versa, it doesn't turn on. It's for those diodes which you don't know the polarity. What is the next usage? The next usage is for measuring transistors. If you don't know what is transistors, I've explained it on my other videos. As an example, we got a transistor like this, and we don't know which is it's NPN or PNP, or the pin out of the transistor. For example, which one is base, which one is collector, and which one is emitter. Firstly, you select a pin. For example, I select the first pin, and this is the multimeter. I select the first pin and I connect the negative to this one. It doesn't show any number. To this one, doesn't show again. Then I select this one. Because it's like a diode, transistors are like diodes, so you should check it again, vice versa. This one works, and this one works. What does it mean? The common pin which you put the multimeter's probe and you change the other one, the common one is base. Now, it means when we put this one, connect this one to the middle pin, and both of other ones show a number, it means the common pin, which is the middle one, is base, and we're changing the negative. The positive is still on the base, so it's NPN because it's negative, positive, negative. It's short form of negative, positive, negative. So this is an NPN transistor, and that's true because this is, yeah, that's it. So then we should know that which one is emitter and which one is collector. We connect positive to the middle pin. The number of this one is 610. The other one is 720. The higher number is the emitter and the lower number is collector. That's how we could check out the pins of the transistor, but it's not too useful nowadays because we have network, and by googling any transistor you can find out the pinout. And something else, the middle pin of all of the transistors are connected to their heatsink. If we connect these ones, you can hear the buzzer sound. Yeah, that's it. This is the usage of this part of the multimeter, which is too useful for every human which uses electronic components. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you later. Goodbye.